The rising waters in New River St. Elizabeth has now surrounded at least 8 houses. Residents say they are worried, especially in light of predictions that more rains could come.
Rising water in New River St. Elizabeth, the community located on the outskirts of Santa Cruz, is being affected by overflowing aquifers and rivers in and around the area due to the heavy rains. The residents are worried. They showed us where the water level was yesterday and where it is today.
This week, I don't do nothing. I'm going to sit down and look.
Because of water?
The water affect me. So if you take a picture of it, you see directly. Just pray that it not go further. I'm not going to jump to the conclusion and say it will go further up. But if it rain this trip, this weekend, yeah, we know we are going to have it.
While they wait and see what will happen in the next few days, some went fishing right at their doorstep.
It started from last week. Water came up to my ankle here, and then all of it went out of my yard. Never complete over there, but everything come out of my yard. And then Friday night, Saturday now, when the rain started to fall now, everything come back up.
So you're scared knowing that the water will be coming back. So when it's begin to come back, you know you'll be having a flood.
Yes. Because as you can see, it's like it's coming this way. You understand? And so right now, I am contemplating how can I get some block to borrow. Because that is the only thing. You see me sitting here, I'm catching the fish, but my brain is working around the clock.
Sections of the community have been flooded before. The last time was in 2010. One resident said she made changes to her house, hoping to prevent flooding.
So I decided to raise the house a little more. And as you can see, I raised the house a little more, and it still got through even my windows. As tall as my house, it got through my windows. If the government let us build me a house and move me from here, I'll be so glad. Every time the rain started to fall, I started to fret.
Councillor for the Santa Cruz Division, Christopher Williams, says the situation is being closely watched. He says though it has not rained in the community for the past 3 days, the water continues to get higher. Mr. Williams is advising householders to seek alternative shelter should the water continue to rise.
We are making plans to activate the shelter that is designated for the people of New River in case it is needed. I hope that is not so, but we still have to make the necessary steps. The corporation is well aware, and we definitely will do whatever it takes to assist these persons in the community.
The shelter for the residents of New River is at the Santa Cruz Primary School.